Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll take you inside and show you exactly how professional stadium seats are made, step by step.
Mold clear, ready to close.
One, two, three, 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 washers. And 4 nuts.
Slow, slow, hold, lower, hold.
The gloss is excellent, 94 GU.
CMM confirms all dimensions pass the tolerance check.
Perfect. We are approved for full production release.
Morning, John. How's the shift running?
Smoothly, sir. No issues with the new material feed.
Good. I'll just check this batch here.
Moving the next pallet in now. Keep the flow steady.
Pallets loaded. 2 of 48. Scan confirmed.
$192 red stadium seats, Section A. Confirmed. Proceed to loading bay 3.
Holes clear on row 1. Anchors going in. Bringing the first seat over now. Good to go. Continue the row. That's it. Section A complete. Nice work, boss. Finally done with these reds. We're at 51% now. Great job, everyone. Making good progress here, boss. Almost done with this row.
Section A. Accepted. Every seat you see in a professional stadium begins its life as a handful of plastic pellets.
Satisfactory. 37 millimeters, UL 94 HB. Approved.
We'll develop a new blue formulation.
Increase PV23 by 15%.
Check the gate erosion.
Pin Fortin is 0.03.
Flow rate reduced, flagging for descaling.
Feel the click? That's 25 Newton meters.
PP must be dried for 4 hours at 80 degrees Celsius or we get splay defects. 480 millimeters.
480.1. Got it.
Frame, bracket, pivot arm, and here we have the sink mark, contamination, and flash.
Excellent. You are now certified to operate the assembly station.
Confirm master batch approval by Thursday. Designing finalized. Start mold manufacturing next month. 193,500 seats total across all live projects. Quality is everything. Requires a collapsible core in the mold. The two-color map details 34,200 blue, 33,800 white shells.
Week 32 Revision Samkai. Approved.
Can you walk me through the shift start checks?
Yes, we verify the SPC parameters here before commencing the run.
Everything is compliant. Recommendation, certification maintained.
All right, team, welcome to the night shift. We have a big order of blue seats for Section 212 due by morning. Let's maintain the pace and focus on quality.
Hoses disconnected. Clear for release. Bolts are loose. Crane engaged. Pressure levels stable. Mold lifting.
(0603) departure. Identity confirmed by FTIR and MFI. Moving to production checks, compound verification, and gate trimming at the test artifacts.
And that's how a professional stadium seat is made, through molding, testing, assembly, and validation to this.
If you enjoyed seeing how these are made, please subscribe right now. Next up, how Olympic swimming pools are built.
We've made nearly 5 million seats for stadiums in every continent. Starts as a handful of pellets. That's what we do here.
Looks like the IMM3 ran smoothly. All green here.